The Lee Breech Lock Hand Press Kit is our most portable reloading kit available, perfect for those who like to reload at the range or have limited or no countertop space to reload. This kit features the Lee Breech Lock Hand Press. It's a full-size, handheld reloading press constructed out of ASTM 380 aluminum alloy, weighing in at under 2 pounds. The press is also equipped with the breech lock feature, allows you to keep your dies adjusted inside our breech lock bushings. Change dies instantly with a twist of the wrist. Also includes ram prime for on-press priming, powder funnel for dispensing the powder charge, and case resizing lubricant. With the addition of the Lee reloading die set and case link gauge, you have everything you need to start reloading.